Hello to everyone who's watching. I want to show you an overview of this new Remedy Maker software that is developed by Homeonic. It's a really cool software. It's made especially made for therapists who want to make remedies, and it integrates. One of its virtues is that it integrates a lot of functions into just one simple click. It enables you to do a quick analysis very fast. You're going to see right now in a moment. And on the upside, it's very affordable. So let me just get right into how it how it works. So this is the analysis tab, the remedies and homeopathy tab, and the chromotherapy. Now in the analysis, you have, as you see in the on the screen, you have to give analysis a name. So for practical purposes, I always like to use numbers when I want to show how the software works. Just type any name of the patient. You're going to analyze the PGR. That's a very important piece of information that you need to have on. Always remember on the right cup. That is the input end of the radionics device. So just select their birth date, and I already have a PGR that was generated by the software. I'm sorry, by the machine. So you need to first get the PGR in order to use the software. So once you have it and you click on Create Analysis, oh, pardon me. So as soon as you do that, when you click on Start Analyzing, it's going to pop up a brief box just letting you know that make sure that the cup has the sample of your patient. And it's going to start scanning, and it's going to start analyzing. And as you can see, it gives you a rate, that the included rates here it says 1250. If you want, since it's already the software already generated a quantitative and a qualitative analysis of the PGR of our patient, you can scroll here. It selects from the long, very large encyclopedia, I would say, of rates that the software comes with, and it selects the ones that it considers are most appropriately should be treated. And so that's how I can tell you how it works. You can, for example, you can either have it in general, or if you want to, if you select on respiratory organs, it's going to jump to that section. So you see the specifically the organs. I'm sorry, the rates for the organs that you could work on. If you want, you can order the rates here by the name or by value. If you do it by value, it'll do it by the function tester order. So it'll scale it all the way on the top. The values will be minus 100. It also has the option for you to highlight a rate, select it, and you can delete the rate if you want, by just clicking on delete rate. It's a little bit takes a little while. And if you want, just by clicking on create report, it's going to generate a PDF document with all the information of the patient, the PGR, the date of birth, and the detected organs and symptoms, and the long list of rates. If you want to include 1,248 rates, so you can do so. So you can click on Save and Create Remedy. So once you click on that, it's going to show you this pop-up window. And once the dialog box opens up, you just tap Click on OK, and it will have saved our remedy. Now, over here on the remedies and homeopathy module, this interface looks somewhat familiar. We have the auto mail option, the neutralize, the imprint, copy, erase and save, the direct treatment for you to use the complementary rates and save the card in the database. And then here, for example, we can already search for our remedy based on the analysis that we just made. So we would type it in. I'm going to type in the, for example, so the zeros and 1. So once I highlight it, if I double click on it, it will show me on the right over here the list of rates that it detected that can be worked upon for our patient using the PGR. Now you already know most of these functions, like you can change the potency, or you can duplicate a rate if you want, or it shows up at the bottom. You can delete a rate if you want, and the Save Changes button. You can also change the order by the name, potency, or the dynamization method. And over here, there's another sub tab on, that says database, and in this database, it's like the categories. You can create a new category, subcategory, and you can search manually for rates right here using the search option. There's also the get rate button right here. It's in this section. You can create a new rate, and these are the options that we have here. So it's really cool for you to. I think it's awesome that you can create quick remedies. So under the chromotherapy tab, you can. For example, if you want to create a therapy, most therapists knows how to use this in the software. So first you would highlight the color. First, well, if it's front, back, if it's male or female. So let's select male, front, select the color we want to use, and double click. For example, it says left forearm, or let's change the color. Let's double click. There's this right hip. And in here you will see automatically it starts creating the rates, so we can make a remedy to treat our patient. As soon as I click on Save Therapy, we just have to give it a name. Let's say just call it color 00000001. And once I click OK, I can go back on to the remedies and homeopathy tab and search for the color remedy that I just created, and there you have it. Just by double clicking on it and clicking on the remedy tab, it's right here, and you can change again the potency, the method, and the level that you want it to work. So this pretty much, I think this is a great software, the Remedy Maker software developed by Homeonic, and if you haven't already purchased it, you can. I think you should. It's a great software, and it's going to save you a lot of time with the like I said previously, it's a fast analysis. It's quick and easy, but it's very powerful. It's a very powerful software. So thank you very much for watching, and well, have a great day.